Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use customized cutout and CapCut PC. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So here, first thing that we want to do is we want to create a new project on the CapCut and add your videos that you want to use. So we have multiple videos here that we want to use. So in this case, let's first add this first video here and the second video here. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to select the video that you want to use the customized cutout. So in this case, we want to use this first video here. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and locate the video section of your screen here on CapCut at the top right. And from here, you see the option that says basic, cutout, mask, and enhance. Go to cutout and you want to look for customize. And here, make sure that you turn on customize, and from here you have the option that says smart brush and smart eraser, as well as eraser itself. So in this case, I usually recommend you to use the pro version, which is smart brush and smart eraser, because currently I try using eraser here. It's not much of a help, so you have to have pro for you to properly use customize. So in this case, let's just try using smart brush here, and we want to highlight the section that we want to retain. So in this case, if you want to retain this specific section here, make sure that you highlight all the parts that you want to retain. So let's just quickly highlight this person here. And from here, you could basically just let go of your mouse if you're satisfied, and that will actually highlight where you want to basically retain. So from here, let's just wait for this to process, and once it completes processing, just let on apply at the bottom right. As you can see here, we just recently applied the cutout. So in this case, you could go ahead and erase the sections that you want to remove. Like in this case, let's just erase this part that we want to remove from our cutout. And from here, you can just go ahead and apply it again. As you can see, we were able to basically have a simple cutout, although it's not perfect. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and just use customize as you would. And right now, you could go ahead and just be creative about this one. But I do have to inform you that this is for pro users only. So if you want to use the free version, you basically just turn this off and enable the auto cutout option. As you can see, it works kind of similar. Instead, it only cut out people that is seen on videos. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.